Comhar Dún Chaocháin Teo is a community development cooperative in County Mayo, registered with the Registry of Friendly Societies. Its mission is to work in a proactive way to promote the linguistic, cultural, infrastructural, educational and social development of the parish of Cill Chomáin and to develop the material and human resources of the area. Projects have been undertaken in conjunction with the Irish language body, Coiste Ghlór nGael, local development groups and state agencies. The cooperative office is located in the Seanscoil Comhar Dún, providing the following services: 1. Information and assistance to community groups about the role of development groups and agencies. 2. Developing and managing projects and sourcing funding. 3. Producing application forms for various schemes, including training opportunities. 4. Photocopying, laminating and fax services. And 5. Visitor information including CDs. A library of folklore and Irish language material is maintained. If you would like to become a member of the cooperative and have a greater input into the development of the area, please contact Tras Inigari in the cooperative at 0035397 or 0035387 We shall welcome your ideas. We hope, indeed, that you will join our efforts as we look forward to the future. To have a copy of the Cill Chomáin Development Plan 2022 to 2026, contact the cooperative or check online. The plan sets out a strategy for the development of the parish. Score Gaelta, Avaras Nadini, with each person supporting the other, people survive. The strategy lays out a vision and a program of actions for the parish. The key objectives of the cooperative are as follows: A. To preserve and promote the Irish language and culture in every aspect of community life. B. To develop in an integrated, sustainable way the resources of the area. And C. To promote the development of amenities and services. As part of the consultation process, a questionnaire was made available in local shops, post offices, schools and churches. An open day was then organized in the Seanscoil Community Centre to give the public a uniquely democratic opportunity to examine the draft plan and make recommendations. The committee acknowledged the input of all those who took the time to complete the questionnaire. Their suggestions and recommendations were incorporated into the development plan. The promotion and preservation of the Irish language is one of the main objectives of Comhar Dún Chaocháin Teo. Irish language courses and Irish translation services are organised in the Undertaken Chang na Seanscoil, or Language Centre, in Comhar Dún, where a special purpose room houses a library of resource materials. Conversational Irish classes are organised during the year, in cooperation with Cumann Lú Class Gael, the national sporting body, in Cill Chomáin, as well as events during the International Festival of Seachtain Gaelge. The cooperative is a member of Gaelge Irish, which Adros nGael selected as the lead language planning organisation in the North Mayo Gaeltacht. The Comhar Dún Chaocháin, Comhar Dún, and the Comhar Glen Namuya, Glenamoy, both community-run Irish language preschools, which provide for the needs of children and their parents in these areas. These services receive funding from the National Childcare Investment Programme, which falls under the remit of the Department of Children, Equality, Disability, Integration and Youth, of TUSLR, or the Child and Family Agency, of Mayo County Childcare Committee and of Corneenry na Gaeltacht Teo. Irish summer camps, which offer recreational, educational and cultural activities for local preschool and primary school children, are organised in Glen Namuya, Comhar Dún. And Ros Duke, in conjunction with Muinters Teo, with funding under Scéim Nagumpi Saura, Daesob na Gaeltacht. The aim of the camps is to encourage children to speak Irish in an enjoyable environment through sports, art, crafts, traditional dancing and singing. The Comhar Dún loop walks, such as the Clan Lear Loop, the Clee Dove Loop and the Loopnabbing Ebwy, continue to attract visitors to the area, with a notable increase in visitor numbers in recent years. Starting and finishing at the Seanscoil Community Centre, each loop is waymarked and colour-coded according to its level of difficulty. An Irish and English information board and brochure provide details on trail directions and points of interest. These walks are maintained by participants on the Rural Social Scheme with the support of the Department of Rural and Community Development, of Sport Ireland, and of Mayo County Council. A project of Nakaludavio, a self-help body, which designed this website, aims to give an international voice to the people of Cill Chomáin and to raise the profile of the area as an ecotourism destination. Historic Irish links to the French, Germans and others introduce a cultural element into the project. In this regard, another website was designed and which can be viewed at gaeltalk.info, where a choice of holiday packages was available to cater for visiting groups until the pandemic struck. With help from Udros nGael to their Cill Chomáin Rural Social Scheme is managed by the Cumann Lú Class Gael, Cill Chomáin, and includes an environmental work plan submitted by the co-operative. When Untashka, or the National Trust, announced the 2022 National Green Coast Awards, Portchloe and Ring Ruo beaches were named as recipients. The award was based on the pristine environment of these. The excellent water quality compliant with EU regulations, and natural beauty.